Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, device compatibility, signed-in Apple ID, and a secure passcode. Once ready, open Wallet and tap Plus to add a card. You'll either scan the card or enter details manually. Scanning speeds the process and reduces typos. Make sure billing address and name match your bank records to avoid verification delays. After entering details, accept terms. You're now handing off to your bank for quick verification, so you can proceed to authorization. Once the card is added, you must verify it. Your bank may open its app, send an SMS code, or ask for a short phone call. Enter any verification code into Wallet when prompted. This confirms ownership and activates payments. Make sure to enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick, secure auth. This is what lets you tap to pay without a PIN. If you want the same card on your Apple Watch, open the Watch app and add it there. Synchronization is seamless once verified. To finish, set your default card in Wallet and enable any features like Express Transit if you use public transport. Make a small test purchase at a terminal or buy something in-app to confirm everything works. You'll authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If it fails, make sure your device has internet, the card isn't blocked, and your billing info matches the bank's records. If problems persist, call your card issuer. They can complete verification or reauthorize.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.